Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I love learning grammar. I love .learning.grammar. A dog is a noun. A dog is a noun. A ball is a noun too. A ball is a noun too. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. I am a person, so I am a noun. I am a person, so I am a noun. A house is a place, so it is a noun. A house is a place, so it is a noun. Run is a verb.
Wow!
Run is a verb. A verb is an action word.
Oh.
A verb is an action word. Clap is an action word.
Clap.
Clap is an action word. Red is an adjective.
Red.
Red is an adjective. An adjective describes a noun. An adjective describes a noun. Big is an adjective too. Big. Big's an adjective too. This ball is small. This ball is small. I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. He is a pronoun too.
He?
He is a pronoun too. She is a pronoun too. She is a pronoun too. A pronoun replaces a noun. A pronoun replaces a noun. These are two cars. These are two cars. We add an S to make it plural. We add an S to make it plural. This is one book. This is one book. These are three books. These are three books. I play now. I play now. This is the present tense. This is the present tense. I played yesterday. I played yesterday. I will play tomorrow. I will play tomorrow. This is the future tense.
This.
This, the future tense. The boy walks to the door. A sentence starts with a big letter. A sentence starts with a big letter. A sentence ends with a period. A sentence ends with a period. This sentence asks a question. This sentence asks a question. What is your name? What is your name? This mark shows excitement. This mark shows excitement. I am so happy today. I am so happy today. And connects two words. And connects two words. I have a dog and a cat. I have a dog and a cat. Under is a preposition. Under is a preposition. I sit under the desk. I
Sit under the desk.
I am on the bed. I am on the bed. On is a preposition to.
On.
On is a preposition to. I stand in front of the closet. I stand in front of the closet. I hide behind the chair. Hide behind chair. This is my car. This is my car. That is her car. That is her car. That is his car. That is his car.
Now let us learn about opposites.
Now, let us learn about opposites. Up is the opposite of down. Up is the opposite of down. Down is the opposite of up. Down is the opposite of up. Big is the opposite of small.
Big
Is the opposite of small. Tall is the opposite of short. Tall is the opposite of short. Hot is the opposite of cold. Hot is the opposite of cold. I am learning so much grammar. I am learning so much grammar. Let us practice with a sentence. Let us practice with a sentence. Found it. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. I completed the sentence. I completed the sentence. She likes to read books. She likes to read books. Likes is the verb in this sentence. Likes is the verb in this sentence. Books is the noun in this sentence. Books is the noun in this sentence. I understand nouns and verbs. I understand nouns and verbs. Grammar helps me speak better. Grammar helps me speak better. I am proud of my writing. I love learning English grammar. I love learning English grammar. You can learn grammar too. You can learn grammar too.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.